Hey everybody, it's Cathy. Today we're unboxing the Summer 2023 FABFITFUN subscription box. I'm really excited to see what I got inside this summer box. So FABFITFUN reached out to me again and sent me their summer box in exchange for this video, but they're also offering my viewers a special savings. Save 20% off your seasonal membership. The summer box has a value up to $300. Use my code CathyM20 to get your first box for only $47.99. That's 20% off. So two things that I really like about receiving the FABFITFUN box. The first one is it's like Christmas. Like you forget about that you ordered the box and then it shows up on your doorstep and it's a nice surprise. And the second thing is it is a great way to try out new brands and new products without having to fully invest in the product. So don't forget to use my special code where you can save 20% off your first box. So even though I picked the items, it was so long ago I don't even remember what I picked. And I just opened up the first item and it is this gorgeous tray. I kind of remembering choosing this, but I didn't expect that it would be this large. This is a gorgeous tray. I'm not sure where I'm going to use it. I may put it on my fireplace mantle and I could put like some little candles in it, or even just to sit on your dresser or even on your bathroom vanity. And if you want to put, your jewelry on this overnight, it's really, really nice. And I love the color. So I'm really happy about this. I'm really excited about this water bottle, and it's by Pop Sugar, and it's their Ready Set Hydrate water bottle. And what is kind of fun is that it has different times during the day, a little motivation to kind of keep you remembering, oh yes, I have to drink my water. Like for instance, it starts at 8 a.m. It says Ready, Set, Hydrate. 9 a.m. you got this. Down here at noon hour, it says drink, drink, drink. At 1 p.m. you should finish the bottle, and then you go ahead and you refill it, and it's 32 ounces, which is almost a liter. And I normally drink about 3 liters of water a day, which would mean that I would drink 3 of these bottles. I think it's really fun. It keeps you, motivated to hit your water targets every day. It has this handy little handle, which I will use when I get walking outside. To open it, it has this little push thing, and it opens up like that, and then you just drink your water. So it's a great reminder to have sitting beside you on your desk. Just, you look at it and you say, oh yeah, I remember I have to get my water in, because it's so important to stay hydrated. I have this little pouch by Lily Pulitzer. This is the first thing of hers that I ever own. I love some of her designs. They're very cheery and bright and they just make me happy. Plus this is blue and it has pink, which are 2 of my favorite colors. It has nice gold trim and this zip top, and then you could store a little bit of change in there. If you don't want to carry your purse, if you're going meeting someone for lunch, you just pop in your debit card, some money, your driver's license, you're good to go, and you can just carry it like that. Or you could also put your keys in it and attach this to the inside of your purse so you don't lose it. So this is just a fun little pouch, and I'm glad that I did order because it's something that I think will come in very handy and that I will use a lot. I have to tell you, I'm very happy with everything so far that I have received in the box. The quality is outstanding, and the items that I have received, they're really great, and I can see myself using all of them. I remember picking this lovely notebook, and I wish you could see and feel the quality of this book. I love to have a notebook. It's so handy, whenever I'm planning out my videos. And this little book, it has lined paper, it has little dividers, there's, plain paper, more lined paper, and then this kind of graph paper. It's quite substantial. Like, it's very, very good quality, great binding. It's by the brand Studio O. So I'm going to love using this book to plan out my YouTube content. Next up, I don't remember choosing this, but it's by the brand Malin and Goats, and it's Rum Hand and Body Wash. I love to have nice fancy hand washes in our powder room for whenever company stops by. And let's just take a whiff of this. Oh my, it's very clean smelling. It's going to be a nice addition to the powder room. So I'm excited about this as well. This next item, I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to getting it, and it is a yoga mat. It's by the brand that I'm probably going to butcher it, Giam. So it's super compact. You can fold it up and take it with you. And you can download the Giam, I don't know how you say this, Yoga Studio app, and you get 1 month free. So that's kind of fun. So let's open it up. One of the things that I was really drawn to about this yoga mat is the beautiful color, and I love the whimsical design with some of the planets and the moon. It's just kind of a fun yoga mat to have, and I'm really going to get a lot of use out of this. And if you're interested, the dimensions of the yoga mat are 63 inches long, 22 inches wide, and 2 millimeters thick. You know, if you do yoga at home or you go to classes, this might be something that might be of interest to you. So I have to say I'm very much pleased with the contents of this box, and I believe it is well worth the $47.99 using my discount code. So I'm going to add up the value of these pieces. FABFITFUN has what's called the shopping club, where you can get 4 customizable boxes per year. In the box, you will find full-size beauty, fashion, fitness, wellness, and home products that you get to choose. Plus, they also have flash sales throughout the year. So the summer box has a value up to $300. And when you use my code, your first box is 20% off. So you can get it for $47.99. So I just added up the value of my box, and I'm going to give you the breakdown on everything, and then we'll talk about it at the end. So the yoga mat comes in at a value of $45. The Studio O Spiral book is $22. The Pop Sugar water bottle has a value of $40. The Lily Pulitzer pouch is valued at $20. The beautiful ceramic short stories tray has a value of $40. And the Malin and Goats hand and body wash has a value of $26. So the 6 items in my box have a value of $193. So you can get up to $300 value, but I guess just the products that I picked were on the lower end of the spectrum. But still, I think that the box was worth the $47.99. I'm very happy with everything, and I see myself using everything. I'm especially happy about the yoga mat, and I love that beautiful ceramic tray. So the ceramic tray alone was worth, I think, $40. So I really think that the items that I received in the summer box were totally worth the $47.99. So be sure to check out the code below the video where you can save 20% off your first box. Thank you to FABFITFUN for partnering with me on this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.